Alrighty, and we're back with the Landau. We're going to tackle this today, and to show off most of my equipment. The trusty orbital sander, cheap Chinese drill, slightly less Chinese drill, shears, straight from Bunnings, stepping tool with a hole punch, die grinder with a coral wheel on it, mini hacksaw, right angle die grinder, belt sander with a 10mm belt, and another die grinder with a cut-off wheel. But this one is set so it can go left and right. And for anybody who was wondering about this that I did the other day, it's really hard to get its shape on the camera. It was a pain in the ass to make. Well, it wasn't really, but damn fucking lights. Damn lights. Shape matches up pretty good. Somebody being angry. Can just live there. Thinking about getting rid of that if anybody desperately needs it. So the metal bender, I highly recommend you get one of those. Makes life way easier. Shrinker and stretcher, currently with the stretcher attachment in it. It's not actually sitting in properly. Now it is. So it grabs the steel and stretches it. And you have this one which shrinks it, does the opposite. And we are going to attempt to make these today. That goes there, and that goes there. And then they go there. So we'll have to line this door up a bit better because we're going to use it to help us get the shape. So I've already done this a while ago, prior to moving to the new workshop. All of this. There's no bog in that or filler if you're from a different country. It will need some because I'm not perfect. And none in there. But I'm thinking of sectioning this piece and doing this as well, just because I'm fairly confident that there will be rust between this seam. Especially looking at that, I'm going, yeah, there's a little bit there. And it's not too hard, so I'll probably end up doing this piece and then cut it down like that, and then do a flat piece through here with a bend and a curve, and then join them in at the ends, which seems like a long way to go around, but I don't have endless money to buy the section that I know you can buy for there, which ironically has it all in. So I do what I can with what I've got. At some point we'll have to tackle these holes. That one's easy, that's nothing. Wouldn't waste my time worrying about that one. That's just a quick zap with a welder. That was that section, which came out pretty good. There's a piece that goes there. You have to take this piece off the roof, and as you can see, there's just a line that goes along there, in there, and then obviously in here. And we still have the corner. Ignore that, that's just to hold it together. And nothing's lined up. It's just slapped together so it can be transported. And I have another parcel shelf to put in it, which will get rid of those holes.